Tanner. The best example I could find to learn how to love you is Christ. How did he love? He loves with humility and a servant heart. A vow is a strong word. I don't like to make promises. I try to make my yes a yes and my no a no.
Dad, you can turn around. I knew you would.
Macon, I cannot believe this day is finally here, the day we've been waiting for so many years. Since I was a little girl, I prayed that I would meet my husband young and grow up beside him and his family. The Lord blessed me with exceedingly more than I could have ever asked or imagined in you.
All right, guys, y'all can turn around.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. I know I'm crying, y'all are crying. I'm so excited.
So when I say yes to you, to marrying you, it means a lot of things. It means loving you forever and holding you above everyone else in life under our Heavenly Father. It means living humbly, laying down my flesh to lift you up.
Apart from salvation, you are the greatest gift I've ever been given. You are a living evidence of the Lord's kindness and goodness towards me, and I know that as we walk through life's ups and downs, having you by my side will be a constant reminder of how good He is.
What's up, brother?
I promise to strive to love you out of the overflow of the Lord's love. While I know I won't love you perfectly, I will choose to learn from the Lord's perfect love to love you the best I can. I promise to strive to walk in humility, putting your needs before mine, not insisting on my own way, but seeking to serve you daily and lift you up. I vow to joyfully submit to your leadership as the head of our home and future family. I will partner with you and not resist you as I follow your lead as you follow Christ.
Macon, if you ever wake up one morning and you realize that Tanner's not perfect, get over it because she married you knowing you weren't perfect. And Tanner, your commitment to him is not based on how good he does. It's based on saying, I'm committed to you no matter what. So as we go through these vows, remember that you're making this covenant before God and we're just witnesses.
I will always be on your team. I will do anything to protect our family. I will be the best father I can be. Putting our family first in life. Your needs, goals, hopes, and dreams matter to me, and I want to champion whatever those may be. I want to be your biggest supporter and fan. Your life means the absolute world to me. You make it so easy to love you on bad and good days.
Having made a covenant before God and these witnesses, and having sealed that covenant with vows and rings, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Macon, get it right. It's my joy and my honor to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Macon Bentley.
I'd like to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Macon Bentley.